So something I do pretty often in Blender is separate objects that have been joined together and then join them back together again. So as you can see here, for this sink, the faucet and the drawers and all of that is connected, but they were all modeled separately and then connected after the fact. So you can undo the connection and work on each piece individually. And to do that, I'll show you how. So I've got my object selected, but I need to go into edit mode. So up here on the top left, you can select edit mode, or you can just select tab on your keyboard. Now, if everything isn't selected, just select A on your keyboard and that will make sure it's all selected. Mine is already selected. And then I go up to mesh, separate, or you can select P on your keyboard. And then for this, I need to select by loose parts. That will separate everything that's been joined together. And as you can see here in my scene now, I have a lot of separate pieces. So if I tab or go back to object mode, I can individually select each little piece that's been separated from the others. So that's great if I really want to work on details here, if I want to craft the inside of this cabinet, it'll be super helpful. And then if I want to join everything back together, I just select it all and then select Control J on my keyboard. And now it is all one piece again. And that also works if you just want to combine certain pieces. So if I just undo that, now if I just want to maybe join a couple things. So I just want, say, let's see, this light bulb to connect to that little fixture handle thing. Then Control J, and this only is one piece, which is perfect. So now I can work on that together. And, after the fact, if I want it all put back together, Control J, and we're all done. I hope that this helped you guys. Stick with me for more videos as I transfer my Maya skills into Blender and work on some really cool projects.